Hello friends, today's my discussion is on very short topic and that is a simple muscle twitch. The contractile property of the muscle that is studied by using a gastrocnemius cytic nerve preparation from the frog, and it is also known as muscle nerve preparation. Now when the stimulus with the threshold strength is applied, the muscle contracts and then relaxation of muscle occurs. And these activities are recorded graphically by using a very suitable instrument. And the contraction that is recorded as a upward deflection from the baseline, and relaxation is recorded as a downward deflection to the baseline, and that is seen in a figure. Now, simple muscle twitch refers to the typical contractile response of the skeletal muscle to single stimulus, not a multiple stimulus, but when we give a single stimulus to a skeletal muscle, then skeletal muscle shows a typical contractile response, and that is known as simple muscle twitch. Now, how to record single muscle twitch? Now for experimental demonstration, the single muscle twitch is recorded using a frog's gastrocnemius cytic nerve preparation. So that is a gastrocnemius cytic nerve preparation. Now ideally the single muscle twitch should be recorded in a isotonic condition. Then technically speaking, to get a perfect isotonic contraction is impossible, but practically near isotonic contraction can be recorded by using a very light isotonic lever. So in this figure you can very well see the isotonic lever. Now this figure that shows the arrangement for the recording the isotonic contraction. In this, the one end of the muscle that is tied and other end is kept free to allow the shortening and is connected to the isotonic lever. Here this end of the muscle is tied and that is a fixed end, and another end that is a kept free to allow the shortening, and it is connected to isotonic lever and that is moved very easily by the muscle. Simple contraction of the muscle is called simple muscle twitch, and the graphical recording of this is known as simple muscle curve. So in this figure you can very well see that there are a various point and there are a various periods. So first of all, contraction period. So that one is a contraction period. So contraction period is the interval between the point of contraction and point of maximum contraction, and the muscle contracts during this period. Then relaxation period. So relaxation period, it is the interval between the point of maximum contraction and point of maximum relaxation, and muscles relaxes during this period. Now duration of the different periods in a typical simple muscle curves are, first of all, latent period. So duration which is about 0.01 second, contraction period 0.4 second, relaxation period 0.5 second, and total twitch period 0.10 second. Now contraction period is always shorter than the relaxation period because the contraction that is an active process and relaxation that is a passive process. Then what are the causes of latent period? So latent period, it is the time taken by the impulse to travel along the nerve from the place of the stimulation of the muscle, and it is the time taken for the onset of the initial chemical changes that occurs in the muscle after stimulation. Then it is due to delay in the conduction of the impulse at neuromuscular junction, and it is also due to resistance that is offered by viscosity of the muscle, and it is also due to inertia of the recording instrument. Then variation in the latent period. So latent period is not constant and it varies even in a physiological condition, and it decreases in high temperature and it increases in low temperature, and also during fatigue and with increase in weight. Thank you.